Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make this stretchy headband from viscose fabric. Now I'll show you how I make my headband. This fabric is 19 inches long and 7 inches wide. I'm folding this fabric in half so the right side is inside like that, and I'm pinning edges together. I will leave 1 inch on each side open and I will sew all along there. Now I will sew those edges together using overlocking machine. This is how it looks after I sewed both edges together, nice and stretchy. Next, I'll turn this button to the right side through that opening there. Next, I'll sew together both ends of this headband. So I'm placing them together like that, and I will sew both edges together on an overlocking machine. This is how it looks after I sewed both headband ends together. I'll reverse it to right side, looks like that. So that seam is sewed, looks like that. Next, I will sew up this opening. First, I'm cutting off all excess thread off, placing both seams together so they are both attached together like that. And I will sew invisible stitch to close that opening with needle and thread. I'm finishing sewing up headband opening. It's nice and stretchy. Last thing what I need to do is to iron this headband flat. So this is the back seam there, and the long seam here will go on the top, and it looks like that. Now I'll try on my new headband. So this is the back seam, will go at the back of my head there. And this sewed edge, that one there, I will be placing sews at the back so the front is nice and smooth, looks like that. I can style these headbands in many ways, and if you have any questions how I made this stretchy headband, please comment down below in a comment box. I also made another 2 headbands using same sewing technique, one in beige and one in black. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.